Tukmak, a small city near Bishkek, is best known for the historic Babur Tower, a remnant of the ancient Silk Road, thought not as tourist-heavy as Bishkek or Korakor. Tukmak has a growing range of hotels and guest houses, offering simple comfort, fast hospitality, and visits to cultural landmarks and historical groups. There are the covered hotels and guest houses in Tukmak for a weather stay. The first one is Purana Hotel, Tukmak. Named after the city's most famous landmarks, Purana Hotel offers clean, modern rooms with all basic amenities. Guests enjoy free Wi-Fi, air conditioning, and private bathrooms. Its in-house restaurants serve Caribbean European cuisine. The staff are friendly and help arrange tours to the Purana Tower. Centrally located, it is convenient for business and leisure travelers, a dependable mid-range option. The second one is Tukmak Guest House. A cozy family-run guest house, Tukmak Guest House is known for its homely atmosphere and welcoming hosts. Rooms are simple but clean with essential facilities. Guests particularly enjoy the home-cooked packaged meal and personalized hospitality. Its location near the bus station make it particular for travelers moving toward the safe route, perfect for backpackers and flight travelers. The third one is Silk Road Lodge, Tukmak. Silk Road Lodge combine modern comfort with a cultural theme. The interior showcases Silk Road inspired decor, adding a unique touch. Rooms are well furnished with Wi-Fi, mini bars, and comfortable beddings. The restaurants serve regional specialties along with international options. Staff provide excellent guidance by exploring nearby attractions. A study stay blending history and comfort. The fourth one is Akbulak Hotel. Akbulak Hotel is a budget-friendly property offering functional rooms with private bathrooms. Guests appreciate its clean environment and central location. The hotel includes a small cafe where local dishes are served. Service is straightforward and efficient. It is ideal for travelers who want affordability with reliability, a practical choice for short stays. The fifth one is Han Tengri Hotel. A boutique-style property, Han Tengri Hotel offers elegant rooms with mountain-inspired decor. Guests enjoy its peaceful surroundings and garden area. The breakfast is hearty and includes local specialties. Staff are attentive and assist with transportations and tours. The hotel's charm lies in its mix of modern comfort and cultural tradition, popular among couples and families. The next one is Family Inn Tukmak. As the name suggests, Family Inn focuses on comfort for families and groups travelers. Rooms are spacious with options for multi-beds. The hotel offers a small play area for kids and a restaurant serving family-style meals. Guests highlight the warm welcome service of the host. It's affordable, safe, and convenient for long stays. The next one is Riverside Hotel, Tikmok. Set near the Two River, Riverside Hotel is known for its relaxing environment and natural views. Rooms are modern with Wi-Fi, TV, and comfortable furnishings. Guests enjoy the riverside walks and outdoor sitting areas. The restaurant specializes in grilled meats and fresh fish. It's perfect for those who prefer a nature-inspired escape within the city. The next one is Tukmak Plaza Hotel. Tukmak Plaza Hotel is one of the newer hotels in the city, featuring contemporary interior and business-friendly facilities. Rooms are sleek with flat-screen TVs, mini bars, and modern bathrooms. The hotel has meeting rooms and a fine dining restaurant, making it popular among business travelers. Service is professional and efficient, a polished option for modern comfort. The second last is Purana Tower Guest House. Located close to the Purana Tower site, these guest houses provide a rustic yet comfortable stay. Rooms are simple but clean, often decorated with traditional Kyrgyz fabrics. The host offer homemade meals and cultural experiences like yachts and local crafts. Guests love the authenticity and proximity to the landmarks, ideal for history enthusiasts and cultural travelers. The last one is Central Inn Tukma. Central Inn is a small, budget-oriented hotel in the heart of Tukma. Rooms are functional with Wi-Fi, clean bathrooms and basic furniture. The inn's location gives easy access to shops, markets, and transport lanes. Guest praises the affordability and friendly staff. It's a practical option for short budget-friendly stays. Tukmak offer a balance of history, culture, and calm office living, and its hotel reflect the same. From the stylish Silk Road Lodge and Rana Hotel to the authentic charm of Tukmak Guest House and Rana Tower Guest House, every stay brings warmth and comfort. These 10 hotels ensure that whether you are in Tukmak for history, business, or a stopover to Isekul, your experience will be memorable and welcome.